pesticide use. AI can even optimize irrigation systems, delivering water only when and where it's needed. This precision agriculture not only increases yield but also reduces the environmental impact of farming.
But the potential of AI in agriculture extends beyond traditional farming. Imagine vertical farms in urban centers powered by AI, providing fresh, locally grown produce year-round. Or envision AI-controlled labs growing cultured meat, reducing our reliance on animal agriculture.
Section 4. The two sides of the coin. Benefits and risks of AI in nature. The benefits of AI in bioengineering are undeniable. From preserving biodiversity to ensuring food security, AI offers powerful solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. By helping us understand and manage the complexities of nature, AI has the potential to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. However, this technology also comes with inherent risks.
One concern is the potential for unintended consequences. Ecosystems are incredibly complex, and even the most advanced AI can't fully predict the long-term impact of interventions. What seems like a beneficial action could have unforeseen and potentially harmful ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. Moreover, there's the risk of over-reliance on technology. If we become too dependent on AI to manage our environment, we risk losing our own connection to nature and the knowledge and skills needed to care for it. It's crucial to strike a balance between leveraging the power of AI and maintaining our role as stewards of the planet.
Section 5. Towards a symbiotic future, AI and the natural world. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, it's imperative that we proceed with both excitement and caution. The future of AI and nature is not predetermined. It's a future we must actively shape. We need to develop robust ethical guidelines for the use of AI in bioengineering, ensuring transparency, accountability, and public engagement in decision-making.
The goal should not be to replace nature with technology, but to create a symbiotic relationship where AI enhances our understanding and stewardship of the natural world. By embracing a future where AI and nature coexist and collaborate, we can harness the power of technology to create a more sustainable and thriving planet for generations to come.